Every practice is a trial. Practice is a trial. One, two, down there, right? Just double left. So show me dedication. Show me some motivation. Show me that you're actually learning and remembering and living this life. We got a lot of compliments from our presentation, but from everyone else. So especially the blessing, they loved it. And then of course the presentation. So give yourselves a round of applause, okay? What you put out on the stage is exactly how you walk through these doors, right? Yeah, we're all energetic when we're on the sidelines, but we hit the stage and we hit the floor and it's... Believe in you, I want you to be better, I want you to see the best of you. You stood out there, you did your thing, and it made us all look good. Pretty good. Pretty good practice tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Very proud of you guys. I don't care whether there's 5, 10, 50, 500, 5,000. Whoever shows up and makes the choice to be here and puts their all into it, hey, I'm fine by it. Alright? Yes, we all go through things in life. And I'm here for you. But let's not use that as an excuse to not bring 100% here, okay? Yes, I hold this position of instructor, teacher, whatever you want to call me, leader, it doesn't matter. But even with myself, whether it's coaching, dance, teaching, being an educator, an aide, whatever, I still have a lot to improve on as well. So I just want you to take that mentality and challenge yourselves, truly. Your connections that are made here will last a lifetime.
1, 2, 3.
IMG!
4, 5, 6!
Family! Woo!
Happening. So, being that this is your first birthday as head instructor of the group, I wanted to do something with the dance group for your birthday. But with COVID-19, plans changed, so this is the best we can do. So, hope you enjoy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Uncle
Turtle.
Turtle.
Just wanted to say happy birthday, Uncle Turtle.
Happy birthday, Uncle Turtle.
Hey, Mr. Turtle. Just got off work, you know, essential things. But don't mind the hair. There's no barbershops open nowadays. But anyways, just want to say happy birthday. Have a blessed and fun day with the fam. And peace out.
Happy birthday, Uncle Turtle.
Happy birthday, Uncle Turtle. Hope you have a good day. I know it's not what you wanted, but I hope you all be safe. Have a good birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle Turtle. I know it's hard for us to all be in the same room to wish you that in person, and this is the best we can do. Really hope you enjoy this video we put together. Everybody just wants to let you know that, you know, we appreciate everything that you do for us, and regardless of you not being able to do everything you wanted for your birthday, we still hope you know, enjoy it as much as you can. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Daniel, aka Turtle, IFG. Y'all already know. Have a great day. And thank you for all you do.
Hey Turtle. Just wanted to say from our family to you, happy birthday. We hope that you have a blessed, safe, and healthy birthday. And we just want to let you know that even though everybody can't celebrate with you, we're thinking of you. Cool beans. Cool beans. Alright, Cammy, you gotta add this in, okay? This is for my boo. I miss you, boo. You take care of yourself, okay? Stay healthy and stay away from sick people. Miss you, love you. Happy birthday, Uncle Turtle.
Happy birthday, Turtle.
Happy birthday,
Uncle Tortilla.
hope you
Have a
fantabulous
day. And that's on what, girls? You! We love and miss you. Bye!
Happy birthday, Uncle Turtle. Happy birthday, Uncle Turtle. I hope you have a blessed day.
Off a day, Turtle. Just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Wishing you a blessed celebration in spite of all that's going on. Thanks for all you do. Here's to many more years to come. Have a great birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy Cash Day, Uncle Turtle. Cash Day! Bless up. Bless up.
Hey, Mr. Greg. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a good one and stay safe. Peace out.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear turtle. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uncle Turtle. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. How? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dan Dan, the cereal man. Happy birthday to you.